Have you ever spent hours reading a textbook, highlighting every second line, and feeling like you fully understood the material, only to completely blank out during the exam? You aren't alone. This isn't a problem with your intelligence. It's a psychological trap called the illusion of competence. When you reread notes or highlight text, your brain recognizes the information. But recognizing something is not the same as understanding it. Recognition is passive. Mastery requires active retrieval. If you want to cut your study time in half while retaining up to 90% of what you learn, you need to change your approach. You need the Feynman Technique, a 4-step method developed by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman to master complex concepts faster than anyone else. Step 1, choose a concept and teach it to a child. Start by taking a blank sheet of paper and writing the name of the concept at the top. Below it, write down everything you know about the topic as if you were explaining it to a 10-year-old child. Why a child? Because children don't understand jargon, complex buzzwords, or abstract language. Force yourself to use simple, everyday vocabulary. If you rely on overly complicated terms, you're hiding behind words you don't actually understand. Step 2, identify your knowledge. Gaps. As you write out your explanation, you will hit a wall. You'll hesitate, struggle to explain a step, or realize you can't translate a complex idea into simple language. This friction is critical. It marks the exact point where your actual understanding ends and your knowledge gap begins. Don't gloss over it. Target these specific gaps immediately. Step 3, review and refine. Go back to your primary source material, your textbook, lecture slides, or primary research, and reread only the specific sections where you got stuck. Study that exact point until you can explain it in basic terms. Then return to your blank paper and rewrite that section without looking at your notes. Repeat this process until every single part of the concept is clear and effortless. Step 4, simplify and tell a story. Take your final notes and read them out loud. If the explanation feels clunky, dense, or overly technical, simplify it further. Connect the ideas using simple analogies or stories. When you can explain a complex concept using a basic story, you have officially mastered the material. Notice how effortlessly these 4 steps build a permanent mental model in your brain. Let's look at how this works in practice using a technical concept, how an API works in programming. A textbook definition says, an application programming interface is a set of protocols and tools that allows different software applications to communicate and exchange data. That sounds accurate, but it's dense and difficult to memorize. Now, let's apply the Feynman technique using a simple restaurant analogy. Imagine you are sitting at a table in a restaurant. You are the user, and the kitchen is the system holding the data you want. You can't walk straight into the kitchen to make your order. Instead, the waiter comes to your table, takes your order, delivers it to the kitchen, and brings back your food. In this analogy, the waiter is the API. It simply takes a request, translates it to another system, and delivers the response back to you. Notice the difference? The second explanation requires 0 effort to understand and stays locked in your memory permanently. The goal of true learning isn't to look smart by using big words. It's to make complex ideas so simple that anyone can understand them. Start applying the Feynman technique to your very next study session. Pick one difficult concept, grab a blank page, and try teaching it in simple terms. If you want to master the psychology of high performance and accelerate your learning, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for Neuroflow. Work smarter, train your brain, and we'll see you in the next video.